At Mobile Filmmaking Philippines, there's a passion in the concept of shooting films using handy cameras, just like this new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It is built with Samsung's largest pixel sensor yet that lets a user capture more light and data, giving them the best video quality in low light situations. With its advanced nightography feature, night scenes on mobile films will have less grain. The Pro Video mode lets them unlock the phone's full potential, gives them full control over their camera settings to achieve that cinematic look. Let's check out these actual clips that were taken. It's amazing how it came out with great details even in dark areas. If mobile videographers can do it, anyone can do it too. To achieve the same cinematic quality like this, the 180-degree shutter rule in filming must be followed. First, choose 4K UHD in 24 frames per second, and then set the shutter speed with the equivalent of double of the frame rate. In this case, it is 1/48. Secondly, set the ISO with the right amount of the correct video exposure. The white balance of the camera can also be adjusted depending on the color temperature of the light source. Additional tip, filming in a place where there are many sources of light helps a lot and gives additional texture to the video clips. For MFP, an epic video is a combination of an epic cinematographer and an epic smartphone, just like the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's exciting to see how one can break the rules in their own film using the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra.